Hi, I'm John Stevenson, and welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. So today we're going to be talking about the things that you need to know and consider before using your annuity bailout provision. So what is an annuity bailout provision? Well, it just basically allows you to bail out of your annuity if certain conditions are met, and you will not be charged any MVA charges or surrender charges. So it's pretty cool. A lot of annuities do not have this, but some do. Global Atlantic, for instance, has this for some of their fixed index annuity products, which means basically what they're saying is if we lower our cap rate or raise our spread or lower our participation rate below a certain level, a certain minimum level, then you are allowed to bail out of this annuity contract. No questions asked. There will be no surrender charges, no MVA, no nothing. Okay, it's pretty nice. So most of the time though, if ever, they'll never lower it because they don't want you to bail out, right? They lose money if you bail out. And so a lot of times these conditions are never met. So the other types of annuities that have these are SPIAs and DIA contracts, okay? Not all of them have them though, and a lot of times when you are given a bailout provision, there's a lot of strings attached and there is usually a lower rate that you're promised at the beginning. So it cannot be very beneficial for those who are looking for high income right from the beginning. But there are some annuity contracts that will give you this bailout provision. Basically, what happens is if there's a declining interest rate environment that adversely affects your annuity returns, they will allow you to bail out. And of course, there are certain restrictions and certain conditions that have to be met. So another thing to consider is when you're thinking about bailing out of your policy, ask yourself the reason that you purchased it in the first place, okay? If it's for guaranteed income and you've got an income rider that's giving you a ton of growth, you have a ton of income benefit, you might not want to bail out just because interest rates are low, just because cap rates are low. You may have a ton of growth in that income benefit account that will give you a lot of income later on. And if you bail out and you put it into something else, you lose all of that. Okay, so that's something to consider, and make sure you tread lightly before you consider bailing out of that policy just for that reason. Okay, there's so many features and benefits and growth components that are part of your annuity policy that are available to you, and you give all of that up just because maybe one thing happened with one index. Okay, so make sure you really what you should do is you should book a call with someone like me. If you're thinking about bailing out of your policy, think again. Okay, if you want to send me maybe your interest crediting strategies and exactly what the participation rates are, the cap rates are, I'm happy to look at them and I'll tell you whether or not it's a good idea. And if you send that over, make sure you tell me the purpose that you purchased that annuity in the first place. Okay, if it's for growth, that's one thing. Okay, but if it's for income and high guaranteed income, then you might not want to get rid of it. And of course, if you're looking for the highest guaranteed income annuity out there or highest rates of return that's locked in for a certain term, if you're looking for a MYGA annuity, then reach out to me. Okay, there is a link below this video. You can get right into my calendar and we'll talk about all of your annuity questions. If you're looking to purchase an annuity, I'd love to help you with it. And I'll just show you all the ins and outs. I'll answer your questions. I'll show all of the annuities on the market, regardless of what my commissions are. And of course, if you're looking for an annuity, I'd love to help you purchase one. So again, I'm not going to try to sell you anything, but if you do have questions, it might make sense to book a call with me. Okay, so I hope you have found value in this video. Okay, if you have, I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, I hope you share it. And if you have further questions, I hope you comment. Okay, ask questions. I'm pretty quick to answer. Okay, would love to help. So again, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.